Hello and welcome to day 12. Today I am all on my lonesome. Cam and Andreas have gone over to another job just to lend a hand. So I'm just going to spend the day pointing and singing and probably just annoying myself. But you know what, I'm actually quite looking forward to. But anyway, let's crack on with today. Let's get a load of pointing done. But first of all, let's make a lovely cup of coffee. Lovely jubbly. I need to learn how to point left-handed, because that really would help. You are a bit wet, ain't you? So when the mortar's a little bit too wet like this, what we do, we just sort of do it as neat as possible, but we'll beat it earlier than what we do with the other walls, and actually just to sort of suppress it. And if there is any indents, or because obviously when the water dries out, it will shrink a little bit. So if you beat it in, get right in there, and then any, like I say, dips or anything, we can then just reapply some more water. It is the start of the daylight, so it is a hot one today. That's why I've made it a bit wetter, but it has gone a bit, not too wet. You can still do it, it just makes it a bit more of a messy job. But like I say, this afternoon I'll give it a good old beating in and just see what it comes out like. Like I say, if there's any movement and you beat it in like just like that, you know what I mean, that goes in there, spreads out, I'll just reapply it, and away we go. Some of this stuff here, look, I did first thing. Look at that. Oh, that's still a bit wet, but look at that. That's lovely. Once you've applied it to the wall light, it don't take long to sort of dry out. Just looks a lot messier initially. Keep slowly rubbing it in. I think you just got, like I say, when you have got wetter mortar, you just don't press as hard as you would do if it was like drier. Ooh. Looks like a rally car. I think it's a plane. Maybe even I get one of these little tools are absolutely amazing. It's called a leaf and square. There's the leaf bit, there's the square bit. If I actually cut that in half, it'd be quite handy, because it's just that, you know what I mean? I can't, if that was halfway, I'd be able to get closer. Might be able to invent that. Mini pointing tools. So what we're doing when we get bits like that, where we've got a stone like further in from the wall, if you know what I mean, we're just sort of flaunching it. Basically meaning just slightly keeping it proud, but just bringing it, you know, further down the stone. So there's more mortar. Because you want to try and keep this flat as possible, if you know what I mean. Because you're repointing older stonework, there's defaults in it and that. It gives it charm. You don't want to make everything perfect. It's the whole point of restoring. I'm trying to preserve whoever built this wall. I want to preserve their work, basically. It's the right treat. Oh baby, come on, let me get to know ya. Won't let you down. Oh, it's touching stone on stone. Leave it there, put that on there. Ooh. That's a bit low, isn't it? Boom.